WPC flooring is composed of WPC base material layer, LVT layer, UV layer, etc. The main raw materials of base material layer, PVC and natural stone powder, are non-toxic and environmentally friendly renewable resources, which have been widely used in people's daily life. From the comfort point of view, WPC flooring is kind of PVC flooring, which is very close to the traditional solid wood floor. In addition, WPC floor is fireproof, moisture-proof, anti-skid, mildew-proof, tough and wear-resistant, with good thermal conductivity, good decorative effect, convenient installation, and simple maintenance. It is a high-quality environmental protection floor decoration material. Let's see how WPC flooring is produced. First is the production of floor-based material. PVC powder, stone powder, and other raw materials are put into the mixer to mix evenly. After the mixture is mixed evenly at high temperature and cooled in the cooling tank, it is transported to the hopper of the extruder through pipes. In the extruder, the material is heated, rolled, and plasticized. And then enters the die to extrude the material stripple, which is then molded to the required thickness. After trimming, the continuous strip is cut into the whole plate of the floor length with a plate cutter. And the automatic plate lifter completes stacking, waiting for the next process. The decorative layer of WPC flooring is composed of wear-resistant layer, color film layer, and LVT layer. The materials of the above layers are aligned, stacked together, and placed on the pressing pattern, which is made of steel frame. Then put into the press for pressing, so a complete decorative layer is produced. Cover the decorative layer with a layer of green and environmental protection UV curing coating. The surface of the decorative layer will have the desired color and smoothness and more protection. The decorative layer also needs to be tempered. The stability of the decorative layer can be improved and the shrinkage can be reduced by keeping a certain temperature and time for heating and then cooling rapidly. Then, the decorative layer and the floor-based material are glued together. And then cold pressed by a cold press to ensure a firm combination, so that the whole board of the WPC flooring is made. Next, the whole board is cut into the finished floor size by the automatic cutting machine, and continues to be delivered to the automatic slotting equipment. Lock flooring is a widely used floor form with simple pavement and closed seams. We need to slot each side of each floor to process the lock structure. Finally, paste mute stickers or IXPE on the back of the floor to make the floor soundproof and mute, and make the floor feel natural and comfortable. After the finished floor is packaged, it is waiting to enter thousands of households. This is the birth process of WPC flooring.